Okay, yes. 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 Nice.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's do it.
Could we?
Okay, I know you want to enjoy the lemon juice. Okay, the next one. Okay,
Yes.
yes, very good. Yes, and the design is really simple. Only include the upper and the lower part. Yes, when you hold it, you can feel the very heavy duty design. And
Yeah,
this one, the handle is the ergonomic design.
Yes.
The handle with this design can hold it very comfortable. It's suitable your fingers. Design inside the upper one can fetch your juice very easy. Yes, and this inside the bottle, the hole, you can stop the stick come out in the juice. So this guy is very good also. So put inside
Yes.
it.
Yes, then we can squeeze. Yes.
Yes, just press this part.
Yes.
Yes, you can see the
Yes.
lemon juice is full over in the bottle.
Yes. So you can squeeze the lemon and step by step, and finally you can find that the lemon juice came out from these squeezers. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yes. And lemon juice can improve your skin quality also, so it's good for girls. Yes, when you make the salad or make other food, if you want the lemon juice, you just put this. Only to do is press this one and the lemon juice can fall into your food. Yes, okay, this part we show you the lemon juice, how to do the lemon juice.